What happened, Bella?
What happened, Bella?
Yes.
Hello po, kay Derek. Deliberate po ba yung, kasi yung promo may pagka-mysterious siya. So deliberate po ba yung mga ganun, labas niya?
Yeah, it's deliberate. I mean, kudos to the promo team na yun yung angulo dahil gusto naming ma-experience ninyo, ma-curious enough and ma-experience ninyo yung buong pelikula. Kasi ano talaga siya eh. Laging sinasabi 'di ba na parang experiential yung cinema, ganyan-ganyan. Ito totoo siya. Totoo siya. Ano siya talaga, kailangan mo siyang masimulan, makasama ka sa journey nila.
And sa sila na kasi i-tackle depression, yung contrast ng working class. Ano po yung i-discuss dito sa Only We?
Oh, it's the questions that you arrive at when you're alone.
Ayan na.
Kaya pinag-isip ka na ni Direk Irene.
It's your life questions when kapag kaharap mo yung sarili mo, ano yung mga tanong mo. So ito yun.
Okay, Miss Charo, I'm sure a lot of actors want to be in Tom's shoes right now. What makes him the perfect Ryan? Perfect actor to play Ryan character.
I think he was the only actor considered for the role by Direk Irene from day one.
And what was in Ding Dong that was eksakto na yun yung hinahanap mo dun sa role?
It's ano kasi si Dong eh, he's a man's man. Kung mayroong girl's girl, he's a man's man. He's a perfect gentleman. Pero marami siyang yung depth andon. Kumbaga, sabi nga
Ni Betty.
ano siya, ayun. And of course, it's that character, yung quiet and yeah, nag-i-exude sa kanya. Quiet but maraming bit-bit.
Okay. Doon naman sa role ni Miss Charo na si Betty. What makes her the perfect Betty?
Betty is an English literature teacher. So, parang, of course, yung sabi nga ni Dong kanina dun sa isang couch na Ma'am Charo has been parang teacher of life na siya. Kasi sa dami ng napagdaanan niya and experiences. So, she's the perfect Betty to bring yung what she has as a person and as an actor doon sa role. Yeah.
Siya yung only choice.
Yeah. And sila na talaga from the beginning eh. So, sila na talaga from the beginning. So, it wasn't like a choice na ganun-ganun. Sila na yung nasa isip
Did you
ko.
make the story with them?
Yeah.
7 years ago.
7 years ago?
Yeah, 7 years ago when it was first pitched to us.
So your reaction when you learned that kayo lang yung inisip para sa role? Wala na.
Oh, wow. Para sa akin, as in, nasa parang bucket list ko yan. Manang araw sana makatrabaho ko si Ma'am Charo.
Bucket list na.
Bucket list ka na.
Kasi di ba parang napakaya posibleng mangyari yun. Di ba parang.
Yeah.
And it happened. Sa tingin ko nga, bakit hindi rin 7 years ago, may mga dahilan din talaga. And I just feel that mas naging tama yung panahon ngayon para gawin natin.
Question, why? Why? Bakit tumama ngayong panahon?
Kasi nagawa namin siya ng swabe, na walang interruption, walang iniisip masyado, hindi yung may aberya dito. Usually may ganun. Pero as in super smooth sailing ang ginawa namin mula umpisa. Gulat nga, tapos na.
We finished the film in 13 days. 13 days. Rachada. From morning till yeah. Mindful.
Kasi ang team ng event is parang speed dating.
Yeah.
So, who are Betty and Ryan?
Dahil speed dating. One word. Parang ganun ba yun?
One word?
Not really one word.
Not
Parang short description of
I can call them soulmates.
What about the Ding Dong? How would you describe Betty and Ryan?
Yun sila eh. Talagang
Parang ayaw ibigay.
Ayaw ibigay.
Ayaw ibigay.
Mentor and mentor.
Teacher of life.
Hindi. Parang kailangan nila ang isa't isa.
At one point, Miss Chara, was there a Ryan in your life, in your personal life? Nagkaroon ba ng Ryan sa buhay mo?
A younger man.
Yeah,
A
yeah.
Ryan in your life, nagkaroon po ba? Like,
Kahit hindi yan.
feeling mo soulmate
Kahit
mo?
hindi younger.
Yes,
Yeah.
Mhm.
A soulmate, of course.
Pero younger, wala pa rin.
What about you, Dom? Nagkaroon ba ng
Betty.
in your life na parang soulmate mo? You feel like this person?
You needed
Yeah,
each
maybe
other.
in some other forms. I mean, not to consider yung relationship, yung love angle. Sinabi ba ako? Wala naman yung ganong angle. Marami. Kasi si Betty kay Ryan is so much more than just love. But that's the most important. There's so many more elements to it than just love.
Nung malaman ni Marian na si Ma'am Charo makakapareho, anong reaction?
Very happy siya para sa akin. In fact, siya nga ang isa sa unang nakapanood ng pelikulang ito kasi nung natapos yung edit, siyempre sobrang proud ako at pinanood ko sa kanya. And, sobrang nagustuhan niya at na-appreciate niya. Tinawagan niya kagad si Direk Irene, tapos sabi kailangan sana mapanood to ng mas maraming tao at kailangan sa sinihan talaga. So, ganun siya naniniwala sa pelikula.
And when we met each other in a event, yeah, she personally told me she really liked me.
Ma'am Chara Dong, kumbaga this is your first time to work together, di ba? How you work on your yung chemistry on screen?
Siguro dahil we did a lot of preparation. Ang dami namin pag-uusap with Direk Irene. Parang even before we did our first day of filming, parang na-inhabit na namin yung character. So, kung ano yung hinihingi ng eksena, di ba, binibigay lang namin as characters. Ganun. Tapos tinitimpla na lang ni Direk. Si Direk na lang ang tumitimpla.
Dahil first time niyo po to work together, ang title po, Only We Know, di ba? Pwede po ba naming malaman kung ano yung Only We Know nyo sa bawat isa nung nakapagtrabaho kayo nung movie na to? Nung natapos na siya.
Para we know na.
Oh, para we know na.
Para yun know.
Well,
Parang discoveries.
para ano yung mga pwede namin i-reveal?
Discoveries to each other.
Discoveries
Na si Ma'am
about
Charo
each
pala,
other.
ganito, si Ding Dong pala.
Si Ma'am Charo pala ay kalog. Si Ma'am Charo pala ay mahilig sa chichirya.
Ano chicheria?
Kahit anong chichirya. Si Ma'am Charo pala ay sobrang agang dumalating sa set. Kasi talagang uunahan niya lahat. Tapos babantay, nakapa.
Akala niya maaga na siya. Pagdating niya sa set, nandun na ako.
Oo.
On time naman siya, hindi siya late.
Maaga lang po kayo.
Maaga lang ako.
Pero ngayon, on time is late.
Yeah.
Si Ma'am Charo naman po, about Ding Dong.
Paminsan-minsan, pumapasa naman yung jokes niya. Akala niya, he's a great comedian.
Iyari na naman.
Pero, pag nagka-crack siya ng joke, talagang titingin ako sa kanya, yun na yun. Funny na yun. Pero hindi.
Okay, last 1 minute for round number 4 of our speed date.
Working together, no? May mga eksena po ba doon na medyo na-awkward kayo or tipong emotionally challenging for you and how you handle it?
Direk, ikaw. Ikaw ang
Hindi,
tumitingin sa amin.
Parang yung mga first parts kasi dahil it was shot na parang halos kung paano rin sa chronological sa pelikula. So the first parts where they were parang making kapa sa isa't isa, nakatulong siya yung awkwardness kasi kasama siya doon sa development ng kwento. Emotional sila. Marami silang emotional scenes, so marami silang binigay.
Do you have any unforgettable or favorite?
Favorite or unforgettable?
May clues.
Para abangan din po dun sa pelikula. Pero not giving too much about the scene.
Okay. Para sa akin yung tent. Kasi
Alright, so once again, we would like to announce that round number 4,
May maliit na
You
is
saw
up.
that in the teaser, di ba? The tents.
Direct, gusto namin malaman, ano ang genre ng film?
Group 5, we would like to ask those
it's
part of
a
couch number
romance
5 to
drama.
please stand by and prepare your seats.
Okay, thank you po.
Thank you.